Every now and then, a coin shows up that doesn't just move with the market, it creates its own wave. It starts small, barely noticed, then suddenly, out of nowhere, it explodes, not because of hype, but because the fundamentals are too strong to ignore. And that's exactly what's starting to happen with STBL. I've been watching this coin from the background for a while, and what's unfolding right now feels like the beginning of something that could seriously shake up the crypto space. People keep asking me, yo, is STBL really the next 100x? And honestly, the more I look into it, the more I'm convinced that this coin might just be that hidden gem everyone wishes they bought early. Let's rewind a bit because this story didn't start with a pump. A few weeks back, STBL wasn't in the spotlight. It had been through a dip, the 30-day performance was down about 16%, and some holders were getting restless. There were even rumors floating around about insider trading, and the market started doubting. But here's what separates average projects from great ones. The STBL team didn't run away or stay quiet. They faced it head-on, denied the allegations, and instead of hiding, they came out with one of the boldest moves a project can make. A $1 million buyback program announced on October 31, 2025. That's not something you see often in crypto. It's not just marketing fluff. It's the team literally putting their money where their mouth is. They basically said, we believe in this project so much, we're buying our own token back. That's a power move. So when you look at the whole picture, the technical breakout, the bullish momentum, the surging volume, the powerful partnerships, and the buyback that flipped sentiment overnight, it all points in one direction. STBL is on the rise. It's building real momentum both fundamentally and technically. This isn't one of those short-term pumps that fade after a few days. The foundation they're laying right now feels like the beginning of something much bigger. If you ask me, STBL has every ingredient a 100x project needs. Strong fundamentals, a confident and transparent team, growing adoption, and undeniable momentum. The only thing missing right now is time. Time for the rest of the market to wake up and realize what's happening. Because by the time it's trending everywhere, by the time everyone's talking about it on X and TikTok, the easy entry will be gone. I'm calling it right now. STBL could be that coin people look back on and say, damn, I wish I caught that one early. The setup, the story, the momentum, everything is screaming potential. So when you ask me if STBL is the next 100x hidden gem, my honest answer? It might just be the one. The STBL TGE marks the launch of a 3-token ecosystem founded by Reeve Collins, co-founder of Tether, featuring USST, a stablecoin backed by US treasuries, YLD, a yield token, and STBL, a governance token. The project raised pre-seed funding led by Wave Digital Assets, which manages over $1 billion. STBL's native token is now listed on Binance Alpha and Kraken. The Binance Alpha launch will occur on September 13th, and Alpha Points holders will receive early access via an airdrop. STBL introduces a yield-splitting model. Users mint USST using real-world assets, retain yield through YLD, and participate in governance via STBL. This contrasts with older stablecoins, where yield was kept solely by issuers. Following the launch, the STBL token surged. It rose over 300%, reaching a price of approximately 20 cents. It has a circulating supply of 500 million STBL and a market cap of around $100 million. The project is rolling out in phases with plans for enhanced governance features, cross-chain interoperability for USST, and staking mechanisms. There is an insufficient price history for STBL, so price predictions should be taken with caution. The STBL price hit its all-time high of 22 cents on September 16th and has traded inside an ascending parallel channel since. STBL reached a new all-time high of 24 cents today, but failed to break out from the channel's resistance trend line. Therefore, it is unclear if the upward movement is corrective or not. The positive sign is that STBL has reclaimed the $0.190 horizontal area and confirmed it as support. Whether the STBL token price breaks down from this support or bounces is key to determining the trend. A successful bounce could cause a retest of the channel's resistance at 25 cents, while a breakdown could take STBL down to the channel's support at 14 cents.